If you're looking to transform your brand's presence with cutting-edge AI technology, Zoviz Branding Expert might just be the game changer you've been searching for. In this video, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this just-released software, and trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end to learn how this can revolutionize your brand strategy. And by the way, if you're curious, you can try this software completely free from the first link in the description below. Zoviz Branding Expert AI is not your average software. It's a comprehensive branding powerhouse that combines AI with expert-level insights to build, optimize, and enhance your brand identity. It's tailored for businesses of all sizes, but especially useful for small to medium enterprises looking to scale quickly without the hefty costs of hiring an agency. One of the first things that sets Zoviz apart is its user-friendly interface. If you're not tech-savvy, you'll be relieved to know that setting up and navigating the software is simple. You don't need a degree in design or marketing to start seeing results. The platform guides you step by step, making the whole branding process accessible to anyone. When you first sign up, the AI tool performs an in-depth analysis of your brand's current positioning in the market. This feature is critical because it helps you understand exactly where your brand stands before you make any changes. It analyzes key data points such as customer perception, competitors, and even social media activity to generate a tailored branding report. Now let's talk about Zoviz's content creation capabilities. With just a few inputs about your brand, this AI helps you craft high-converting copy, social media posts, and even blog articles that align perfectly with your brand voice. It's not only about content creation, it's about creating content that resonates with your audience and drives real engagement. Next, we need to discuss Zoviz's market trend analysis. The software uses real-time data to predict future trends and shifts in the market. This feature allows you to stay ahead of the curve by providing insights into upcoming trends that could influence your branding decisions. This kind of foresight is invaluable, especially for businesses looking to scale rapidly in a competitive environment. Zoviz also excels at customer segmentation and personalized marketing. Using AI, it helps you identify the different segments of your audience and creates specific branding strategies to engage them. This isn't generic advice, it's tailor-made for your exact customer profile, making it incredibly effective for targeted campaigns. One of the most exciting features of Zoviz Branding Expert is its ability to optimize brand assets. Whether it's your website, logo, or any visual material, the software analyzes it and offers suggestions for improvement. This means you can continuously refine your brand's look and feel based on data-driven insights, ensuring you're always putting your best foot forward. Finally, Zoviz's integration with other digital marketing tools is something you can't overlook. It easily connects with platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and more, streamlining your workflow and ensuring consistency across all your marketing efforts. In conclusion, Zoviz Branding Expert AI is a top-tier tool that combines AI with digital marketing expertise to help businesses optimize their branding strategies. Whether you're a startup or an established business, Zoviz provides valuable insights that can help you fine-tune your brand's presence and stand out in the marketplace. Don't just take my word for it. Check it out for yourself with the free trial in the description. If you're looking for other powerful AI tools to help with your digital marketing, I've got a list of my recommended AI software in the description below. I've tried thousands of tools, and these are the ones I trust the most.